Let's go! The silver hunt is on, feel the springtime rush. This path we're on will turn it all to dust.
250 years of history and just 1 year to collect it. The U.S. Mint has reimagined every circulating coin for America's semi-quincentennial, and the chase for the first dual-date 1776 to 2026 strikes is on. From kitchen tables to coffee, the ultimate prize of this coast-to-coast chase, but the ultimate prize of this coast-to-coast chase, the 2026 Emerging Liberty Dime, a bold break from 80 years of tradition. Windswept Liberty, an eagle unleashed, no olive branch in sight. This one-year issue is stirring up search engines, lighting up hashtags, and the hunt doesn't stop there. But the hunt doesn't stop there. Now all eyes are on the 2026 Revolutionary War Quarter and the ultra-scarce West Point Mint Mark. Struck in limited numbers, released straight into everyday change, these quarters disappear as fast as they arrive. Every open roll is a gamble, every check count. Beyond the quarter, the chase is exploding online. Dual-dated nickels and enduring Liberty half dollars are turning simple bank bundles into headline content. Unwrapped streamed live to hundreds of thousands. Viewers watch every poll, hoping to witness the next double die, rotated reverse, or off-center strike. As the 250th anniversary coins flood the economy, the window to find first strike quality examples is closing fast. Whether you're a veteran numismatist or a casual hunter, 2026 offers a rare chance to pull modern treasures straight from circulation. Don't let these pieces of the American Revolution pass you by. Stay ahead of the market.
Let's get this paper, yeah! Hit the ground running, ain't no time to waste. Digging up that silver, love the shiny taste.